which one's mine?
Oh.
Yes!
Mine.
Christy! Is this mine? I got Christy! Oh, I'll play. Now we both have two basic dolls. And you have a microphone. Yeah, right here, look. Ooh. Hey, it doesn't make sound.
Yeah, turn it on.
How do you turn it on?
I don't know, there's probably a knob.
What is this? You like? Is that so? Clothes.
That's an invisible woman or whatever, not invisible,
If
see-through
you're
woman.
so lucky you got a babysitter doll. Yeah, we didn't get a doll. Oh, look at it, man. I even get a porcelain doll, but I never had. Be careful with it. Is this all? What is this? What is this?
Let's see.
What is this, Daddy?
Looks like an electronic toy of some sort.
What? There's an M? Come on, just turn this off. How do you turn this off?
Oh, it looks like a spelling game.
How do you turn it off? What is this? You don't turn it off. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's books? I don't think so.